Hi, this is Ricardo with RZ Floor and Bath Covering. Let me walk you guys through this project my team and I have just finished up out here in Mesa, Arizona. So as you can see, we've built this small pony wall here for these clients. As you can see, we also installed the red brick to match these pillars. We've also textured this wall to match the texture up here, as you can see. We've also painted this pony wall. Here's the outside of it. This looks very, very nice. Nice clean red brick. As you can see, the texture. You can see this side. We also left these small holes here at the bottom for whenever it rains, water could flow out that way. Go visit our website. It'll be linked in the descriptions. Alright, thank you for watching. As you can see, we've finished building this wall here. We've also finished putting the stucco texture to match the exterior wall here. See? We will now be getting ready to prime it and paint it. Alright, as you can see, we are gonna begin a brand new project. We'll be building a small brick fence throughout the perimeters of this patio. We've got all the supplies here.